Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in case you haven't heard yet, Honda has released their notes about the new DUALSPORTs, and they are going to have a Honda CRF300LS, which would be the new model added. They're still going to keep the Honda CRF300 Rally and the Honda CRF300L, and then they're going to have the Honda CRF300LS, which I guess S stands for short because it's shorter. Basically, it's pretty much the same bike. It's just lower profile for a lot of shorter riders because a lot of people complained that this bike was a little too tall. So comment below, do you think LS would be better for you because it's going to be shorter? Now, as far as I know, from what I've seen, the LS is going to be the new gray color instead of the red. And then, of course, your Rally and your CR300L standard like mine is going to be red. And also, if you look at the pictures, it's also going to have handguards on the, looks like the 300L and the Rally. A lot of guys that have a problem with the height and they're always getting the lowering link and lower suspension, they may really like the LS. That'd probably be the perfect bike for them. So I think it's going to be like 2 inches shorter, which is a huge difference. And if you need it to be a little bit lower, you could actually get a lower seat, like a Seat Concepts low profile seat. But now, if you did get a LS and it was too short, you could always get the Seat Concepts tall seat, so to raise it back up some. And I'm sure that's at the stock ride height. You could probably crank your rear spring up and make it actually taller, so that'd be nice. If you bought one, you could adjust it up a little taller anyway. Not as tall as you would like the standard 300L or the Rally, but you could gain some. You could lower it a little more, so you could take it and actually the LS and lower it more than you would a 300L. So very cool. I thought I'd bring this up to you guys. Comment below. Would you want to buy an LS? What do you think about the gray color? Or are you still like me? I like the red. I do think the gray is cool, but to me, you know, if you ride Honda, you ride red. That's just the way I believe. Everybody to their own opinion. So comment below, do you like the new gray color, and would you want the CRF300LS, which is the shorter version, and that's going to be the 2023 model. They have released it, so they should be getting them. Probably, my son has one ordered, so they'll probably get them in maybe anywhere from a month, 2 months, 3 months. It's hard to say. Could be 6 months, but they are on the way, guys. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click the thumbs up on this video. Please, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe down below. And I'll catch you all on the next one. Ride on.